Okay, so you remember the last video, I talked about how to make a data table, right? And we took some data that was written down and put it into a table that looked like this that was the correct way to do it. So what I want to show you today is how to make a graph from this data, okay? So generally, when we make a graph, we want to graph the independent variable. In this case, it was the type of fuel, with the amount of energy in this case with the dependent variable, which was the energy in the fuel. Now, we don't normally plot the trials, we plot the averages. So I'm going to grab this and I'm just going to paste it here, okay? I'm going to switch that to values only, okay? So what I have here is a type of fuel here and the average here, okay? This just makes it easier than highlighting all of this. That creates some graphing issues. Just make a little copy of it, nice and easy. So I'm going to highlight both of those. I'm going to click on this button up here that says Insert Chart. So if I do that, it should give you everything you need to make this, okay? So I have this, but there are a few things I probably want to change here. Like I said, that's average, right? That's true, but we should have the average energy in the fuel, and that should be in kilojoules. So we want to put the units there and kind of a descriptive access, okay? The bottom one just says type of fuel. That's fine for that. And then up here should be a table, like a label here. So I'm going to call this graph 1, all right? The average, sorry, that should all be capitalized. The average amount of fuel in, sorry, the average amount of energy in each fuel. And I should put the average amount of energy here. I should just put kilojoules like that. Okay, that's really all you need to do. If you have that for a graph, you are well on your way. All right, some things to remember here. We're always graph the averages, and we should always have a descriptive title here for the axes. So average energy in the fuel in kilojoules, type of fuel down here, and then it should always be a descriptive title, right? If you do that, you are gold for this. All right, good. If you have any questions, let me know.